GH for STEM Juniors Challenge. From Footprint International School, we have Emanuela Sechi. Emanuela's school is located in Denu in the Volta region of Ghana. This junior scientist looks at the thermal expansion of gases. To do this, she uses 2 empty containers, 2 empty bottles, 2 balloons, and some water, hot or cold. Now 2 is the magic number for this experiment. Have you thought of why containers filled with gas like gas cylinders, Coca-Cola, and spray cans explode when exposed to heat? This is because when gases are heated, they tend to occupy more space, so they force the containers to burst. This is known as thermal expansion.
You take the bottle and put the balloon on top of it.
Make sure not to tear the balloon, as this will allow air to escape.
Put the cold water here. And the warm
Hot water should not be too hot, as it might distort the shape of the bottle.
Put one of the bottles in the cold water and one in the warm water. You can see that the one in the room temperature water has done nothing, but the one in the warm water has inflated due to the expansion of the gases in the bottle. If you put it back in the room temperature water, you observe that
After a few minutes, you will observe that the balloon deflates. This is because the expanded gases in the balloon return to their original state.
This experiment can be applied in filling of car tires in the dry season. When you overfill it, the gases will expand and mostly the car tires can burst on the way, causing road accidents. I am Mr. Enoch B. Kwefio, science tutor for Footprint International School.
Remember, gases aren't the only thing that expands when heated. Solids and liquids also do. This is why the little oil you pour into the frying pan to fry an egg becomes plenty when the pan is put on fire. This also explains why the liquid in a thermometer expands when put under the armpit.
It's time for Junior's Practical STEM Quiz.
What will happen after you partially inflate a balloon and leave it to sit under the hot sun for about 20 minutes? A. The balloon will increase in size. B. The size of the balloon will remain the same. C. The balloon will reduce in size. Can you try this experiment at home, either by yourself or with your friends from school? Make a video or take pictures of your experiment. Ask your teacher or your parents to help you post the results of your experiment on social media. Tag We Go Innovate so that you can win some fabulous prizes. Don't forget to add your name and the name of your school to your entry and hashtag GH4STEM.
You can check out any of our experiments at www.wegoinnovate.org and please leave a comment. You can also follow us on social media at We Go Innovate or WhatsApp us on 055 406 6248.
Good luck with your experiment. You can be a junior scientist too.